The girl of the silent torrent. Who will tell me the answer? Wait a moment. I shall come with you. Who told these words? You have the options there on the screen. Please tell me the answers fast. Chat. Yes. Option. Akshay, what have they answered? D. Option D. Okay, these are the words of whom? The girl of the silent torrent to the idler. Right, the idler, he was sent back from the workers' paradise. The messenger came there, Ariel messenger came there to the meeting of the elders, and he told them that wrongly he had sent that person to the workers' paradise, and that's why this idler was about to go from the paradise. The girl joined him by saying these words. Okay, yeah. So next question is, children. Yes. So the lesson, a wrong man in workers' paradise, the girl's movement on the road is compared to. What is the girl's movement compared to? Option? Akshay, what's your answer? Option B. Option B. Nivedita, are you there? Nivedita is absent. Okay, Sumuk? Sumuk, are you there? Yes,
Hello.
Sumuk. Yeah, Sumuk, tell me the answer.
Girl's movement on the road is compared to strings of guitar.
Yes, expert's hand on the strings of guitar. It is compared to the expert's hand on strings of guitar is the correct answer. Good. Okay. Yes. Next question, children. Question number 3. According to C.V. Raman, apart from artesian water, the ultimate source of water in all cases is Anish. Anish.
Yes, Mataji.
What's your answer?
C.
Option C. What is that? Read it out.
Rain or snowfall.
Yes, definitely it is rain and snowfall. It is the ultimate source of water. Artesian water is nothing but your groundwater, no? So here the correct answer is rain and snowfall. Yes. Then next question. Planting of appropriate type of vegetation will result in what? Sinchana Debat. Planting of appropriate vegetation will result in what? Sinchana Debat, can you hear me?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, what's your answer?
It's option A.
Option A, read it out. Read the answer, please.
Reducing the movement of the flow of water.
Exactly. Okay, it reduces the movement of flow of water, and that's why it can help in solving the problem of soil erosion. No, it decreases soil erosion. Yes, your answer is correct, Sinchana. Question number next one. Yes, question number 5. The writer has compared Della's hair to. Yes, now this will be answered by Rajesh and Mahesh.
What's option C?
Read the answer, please, fast.
Queen of Sheba's jewels.
Exactly. It is compared to the Queen of Sheba's jewels. So Della's hair, which was very long, okay, which was very nice, no? So that is compared to Queen of Sheba's jewels. Yes. Next question is, yes, Pasteur founded a branch of science called. What is the branch of science founded by Louis Pasteur called? Yes, Akshay.
It's bacteriology.
Exactly, it is bacteriology. So you have 4 options there. There is no word like pasteurology. It is wrong one. Pathology, you know, no? Pathology. And one more is ophthalmology. So Louis Pasteur, lesson and exercise. I have taken these 2 options there. Ophthalmology is a science which studies the diseases and problems relating to eyes, right? So that is ophthalmology. Ophthalmologist is eye specialist. Then pathology, it studies the causes, root causes for all the diseases. That is pathology. Okay. So the correct answer here is bacteriology. Next one, the next question is children. Pasteur became certain that yeast was alive when he got chance to work in. So this will be answered by Vidya. Vidya,
The option C.
yes, you have to tell me
The
the
famous,
yes. In the
the famous college Paris.
okay, you say that in the famous college, at the famous in the famous college of Paris is your answer. Sorry, your answer is not correct, Marie. Today, I think Sudhanma did not join. No, has he joined? Has Sudhanma joined?
Mataji,
Sudhanma, tell me the answer.
Mataji, breweries, option B.
Yes, breweries is the correct answer. What do you mean by breweries? Sudhanma, do you know the meaning of breweries? Akshay, do you know? Akshay also doesn't know. So is there?
Mataji, no.
Yeah.
Mataji, no.
Yes, Sudhanma, tell me.
Mataji, I don't know the meaning of breweries.
You don't know the meaning of breweries. Okay. So who will tell me the meaning of breweries? Siri, will you? Siri?
Mataji, I don't know.
What is this? Huh? Then will it be told by Ashwit?
The people who produce beer.
Very good. This is the correct answer. The industries which produce beer, no? It is called breweries. Brewer is the person who produces beer. Remember this. See, you have already attended this examination. Whenever you get confusion about any word, no? See, I have not given any, yavdo sumne yavdo word and I have not added here. So everything you are supposed to know. Okay, that's why whenever you get to the question in the question paper, whenever you get difficult words, please get the meaning of it. Okay, yeah. Then after that, next question I have. This person who was known for kindness and sacrifice. Sorry, this person who was known for his kindness sacrificed his conviction to his ambition. Yes, Akshay, do you know which lesson is this? Very bad, huh? Yeah, then Sinchana, yes, but. Sinchana, yes, but.
Mataji, option B.
Option B, what is the answer? From which lesson?
Henry Clay.
Henry Clay. This question is from which lesson?
Moral action.
Not moral action. What is the name of the lesson? Full name I want. Is it only moral action? Sinchana, yes, but the name of the lesson is what is moral action, not simply moral action. Okay, yeah. So let us go for next question. Yes, according to Gandhiji, this is the result of lack of conviction, lack of convictional behavior. This is the result of lack of convictional behavior. Convictions ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ದಿನನಿತ್ಯ ರೂಢಿಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಕೆಲವೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್ಸ್, ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಜಲ್ದಿ ಹೇಳೋದಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವಲ್ವಾ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಕನ್ವಿಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್. Whether we like it or not, that doesn't matter at all. Okay, we have to just follow them, right? As the rules of the family we will be following. In the society also we will follow certain rules and regulations, right? Whether we like it or not, but we need to follow them, no? They are called convictional behavior. So what is the result of lack of convictional behavior in the society? And for this I want answer from Vaishnavi VLD. Anarchy is the result. Okay, anarchy means ಅರಾಜಕತೆ. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ರೂಲ್ ಸರಿ ಫಾಲೋ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಾದ್ರೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಅರಾಜಕತೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಒಬ್ಬ ಮನುಷ್ಯ 10 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಮನುಷ್ಯ 11 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 4ಕ್ಕೆ ಎದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಹೌದಾ? 4ಕ್ಕೆ ಎದ್ಕೊಂಡವನು ಅವ್ರದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. 11 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಹೇಳೋರು ರಾತ್ರಿ 2 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಮಲಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಅವಾಗ ಅವರು ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರ ನಿದ್ದೆಯನ್ನ ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಊಟ ತಿಂಡಿ ಒಂದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮಿಗೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So that's why anarchy is the result of lack of conventional behavior. So here you have monarchy, hierarchy and discrimination as other options. Monarchy means it is a kind of administration where there will be a single ruler, king. He will take all the decisions. Hierarchy, you know, no, generation to generation, that is hierarchy. Then discrimination is differentiating, okay, that is discrimination. Yes, after that, question number 10. With her beak, she kissed a few feathers. What is the figure of speech used here? Yes, it will be answered by Preeti. Yes, what is the answer?
Option A, transferred epithet.
You say that it is transferred epithet. How do you say that it is transferred epithet, Preeti?
No, personification.
Yes, it is personification because here this line is taken from which poem? Can you tell me, Preeti?
To a pair of Sarascreen.
Yes. So here that female Sarascreen, it is called she, no? Huh? So she is here she. The bird is called she here. That's why it is personification. Yes. So let us go for next question. Yes, next question is, which of the following feelings is not suggested by the speaker when he says, what shall I, a poor man, do? So, Jeevan, can you tell me the answer for this question? Jeevan? Jeevan? Okay, Nikhil Naik. Nikhil Naik? Okay, Akshay S. Hegde. Akshay S. Hegde. Animesh? Animesh, are you there? Dhruva? Yeah, Animesh.
Option A.
Option A, what is the answer?
Humility.
Humility, no. Then again, I'll go to Siri for this question. Siri.
Pride.
Pride, okay. So, I am a poor man. What shall I, a poor man, do? So, here humility, okay. Then next one, helplessness, anguish, all these things, they give a kind of same meaning. No? Humility andre maryade ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಆಂಗ್ವಿಶ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾಚಿಕೆ ಜೊತೆ ಆಗುವಂತಹ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್, ಸಿಟ್ಟು, ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ಸಲ್ಟ್ ಆದಾಗ ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಲೆಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸು, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಕಟ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ. ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಪುವರ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್, ವಾಟ್ ಶಲ್ ಹೀ ಡೂ? ಹೌದಾ? ವಾಟ್ ಶಲ್ ಹೀ ಡೂ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಡ್. ಅವನಿಗೆ ತಾನು ಪುವರ್ ಹೇಳೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಖುಷಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಗರ್ವ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ದುಃಖ ಇದೆ, ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಲೆಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಡ್. ಎಸ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. The poem A Poison Tree is written by. Who wrote the poem The Poison Tree? Yes, Akshay.
William Blake.
Yes, correct answer is William Blake. Next one. So here, when Lincoln says, teach him to scoff at cynics, he means his son's teacher should teach his son. What his son's teacher should teach his son? Nitin? Nitin? Nitin, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what's your answer?
But you forget the words of cynics. Option C.
Nitin, see, you have not checked the meaning of scoffing at. Okay? Yes, is there Rashmi?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, what's your answer?
Make fun of cynics.
Exactly. Okay, make fun of cynics. So cynic, you should know the meaning. ಯಾರು ಮಾಡೋದು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸರಿ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಯಾರು ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಲಿ, ಅವ್ರು ಅದ್ರ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ಅಡ್ಡ ಬೆರಳನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸಿ ನಗುತ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರನ್ನ ಸಿನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಅವರನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ? ಸೊ what is the meaning of scoffing at? You have to make fun of them. ಸಿನಿಕ್ಸ್ನ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ತಲೆಬಿಸಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫ್ ನಾವು ಲೀಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಅವರು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದನ್ನು ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದಕ್ಕೂ ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ತಗಾದೆ ತೆಗಿತಾರೆ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸಿನಿಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವುದೊಂದು ರೀತಿಯೂ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸರಿ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಪಾಲಿಟಿಷಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾರೇ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಚಲೋ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, ಅವನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂಥರ ಕೆಟ್ಟದಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸಿನಿಕ್ಸ್. ಬರ್ತದೆ ಸರ್. Yes. So, for question number 14, I also know that you belong to the class of Falguna and Krishna in prowess. Here prowess means power. Here Falguna, who is Falguna? It is Akshay, do you know Falguna means? Yes, you should know, children. Falguna means Arjuna. Okay, Arjuna is also called Falguna. Yes. So next question, question number 15. The term formidable means. Okay. So this term is taken from. Yes, shall I get answer from Shri Harsha? From which lesson we have taken this word?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes.
The eyes are not here.
Very good. The eyes are not here. The aunt looked formidable, no? So here formidable means powerful. Okay. So we could solve only 15 questions, children. There is teachers meeting today here in the school. That's why I have to leave. I thought it is going to be little late, but now it is getting started. That's why we are so we are ending the class here. Okay. Tomorrow we will meet again. So today there will not be mathematics class. Tomorrow whatever classes will be there, that I will inform you. Yeah. Okay. Please keep reading because exams are announced 19th and 22nd. Okay.